Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store and in the search bar enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and just wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap the open button to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close and tap to OK. And now we could see information about my battery temperature, and in my case that's 27 and 9 degrees. And also you get here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.